CORSAIR is currently upgrading the service that we are providing to passengers, both on the 747 and A330, and as part of this initiative, introducing a new business class, modifying the premium and economy class, and also installing a connectivity feature. We consider the fact of introducing the usage of an iPad Pro for a business passenger, like if the passenger was sitting on his sofa at home, but in a plane. So we also introduced a streaming feature through Wi-Fi. Also, we were modifying existing seats to CORSAIR design, so that required the knowledge of two different airframers, like Airbus and Boeing. We decided to get in touch with Air France Industries KLM Engineering and Maintenance to perform cabin modification on the old CORSAIR fleet, design, certification and implementation of the modifications within the planes. The main challenges were related to the technical complexity of the modification and also to the strict calendar that we had to respect. It's an MRO flying plane, so they know what the customer is expecting. There's a lot of pragmatism in terms of costs, but also in terms of technical solutions to be provided to the customer. The expertise was really focused on providing a product functional and reliable.
The scope was quite ambitious and had a lot of technical challenges. We handled this project as if it was an Air France KLM aircraft. We tackled all subjects: crew operations, budget, maintenance, costs in the future for the airline, all the customers' constraints.
There was a lot of adaptive attitude in the fact that the two teams worked together in a very close relationship. So that basically accelerated the process of implementing the modification. It was very, very important.
We tried the whole team to be very reactive and proactive. Our goal was to deliver top innovative solutions on time and within the budget, and that's what we did.
They were exactly in line with what we were expecting from them, and sometimes they also went beyond because of the innovative propositions that they were providing, like on the iPad support, basically. If I had to summarize the cooperation with AFI KLM E&M, I would say that it was a very cooperative project, a very innovative project, and it was also a lot of fun, which is very important for the teams involved.